So here are 5 lessons from the Millionaire Next Door. People often assume things about millionaires. They judge them by how they look and think that those who fit the expected wealthy image can be millionaires. However, Thomas Stanley and William Dennock challenges these assumptions in their book. They argue that many millionaires don't follow the usual stereotypes linked to wealth, like having a fancy lifestyle, wearing expensive clothes, and showing off extravagantly online.
I'm Instagram famous, boy.
No way!
Stanley and Dennock define wealthy individuals as those with a net worth of $1 million or more. But what's interesting is that these millionaires usually don't gather many materialistic things, and even if they do, they don't consider them very important. It's surprising that they don't show off their wealth much, which makes it harder for them to tell who's really rich. The main idea is that millionaires don't fit atypical stereotypes, but they could just be your next door neighbor.
Hello, neighbor.
Being a millionaire is about more than just how you look. In other words, millionaires might not always seem rich when you first see them. The author suggests that if your aim is to be financially secure, you are likely to achieve it. However, if your goal is to earn more money just to spend it on luxurious lifestyles, then you might not succeed. It can be tempting to think someone is rich if they live in a fancy neighborhood or if they drive expensive cars. Yet, the book points out that this isn't always true for everyone. Today, social media displays people flaunting their accomplishments. There's this constant race to show off wealth and success. This is why you can't always tell how well off someone is just by looking at them.
Ashley, look at me.
Shut up! I don't care what you think! Please, help me!
The authors mention that the rich find more joy in owning valuable assets than in flaunting an extravagant lifestyle, which means many millionaires prefer to build their wealth quietly without being influenced by things that could make them look rich to others. Surprisingly, some live in unexpected places, which challenges the common ideas about where millionaires typically live. This is because, as the authors emphasized, most of them are thrifty and enjoy budgeting.
Sure, what's your budget?
Budget.
In a more developed country, even those with a 6-figure income find it hard to be financially stable because they keep spending their money that they haven't earned yet. The book points out that these households often get stuck in a cycle of earning and then spending right away, barely making ends meet, and sometimes needing to use savings or overdrafts. On the other hand, true wealthy millionaires lead a regular lifestyle. Most of them are careful with their money. They focus on budgeting and staying frugal, which helps them keep their wealthy status. The book further discusses that a lot of rich individuals don't necessarily earn the highest salaries. Instead, their financial success were achieved by 2 strategies.
Follow me!
1. Being conservative with their budgets by controlling their spending to avoid unnecessary purchases. And 2. Actively searching for smart investment opportunities to make the most of their money. For them, being rich isn't solely tied to them earning 6 figures. Instead, it's actually revolving around living within their means.
Oh no, we gotta start saving our pennies.
Being efficient and responsible with money are the qualities of wealthy individuals. The book emphasizes that mastering the skill of using your time, energy, and money efficiently is vital for getting rich. Failing to do this makes it harder to accumulate money. Those who make plans to build their net worth should be aiming to set aside at least 15% of their income into an investment.
Should be investing this energy elsewhere.
No!
To do this, it's very simple. Just stop for a moment and look at your monthly expenses. Categorize them into groups like groceries, fuel, mortgages, leisure, and so on. You have to be aware where your money is going to, so be sure to keep detailed record of your spending and earnings every month. This practice will help you in gaining a better understanding of your financial inflows and outflows. And if it's necessary, you might even think about working with an accountant to stick to a practical budget. There are apps nowadays that can help you with that.
Okay, the app is downloaded.
Now, if you're a parent who's doing well financially, raising your children is an important job, especially when you're teaching them about money. Think about whether it's beneficial for them to receive money from you, or whether it might actually make things harder for them in the future. The rich people in the book were careful about passing on their wealth to their kids because they didn't want their children spending it all and wasting every wealth the parent built for the family. So they worked hard to teach their kids good money habits. This way, they didn't always have to step in to pay for their kids' expenses. This actually helped their kids to be more self-reliant. There is no special trick to getting rich. While starting your own business is a good idea, just know that many business owners don't end up really wealthy. Challenges like competition, changing trends, and uncertainty often make it hard for business owners to succeed. And only a few business owners can pass their businesses to their kids.
Is it my turn now?
So, to be a successful business owner, you really have to want this. You have to love what you do and keep working even when everyone is against you. Look, social media, movies, and TVs often show rich people spending a lot on extravagant lifestyles, but The Millionaire Next Door tells a different story. It reveals that this image is not true. So to do well with your money, you have to plan your budget, make smart investments, live frugally, and teach your kids good money habits. They're the reasons why your neighbor might be a millionaire.
You're gonna be a millionaire.
And the big lesson from this book is that if you want to gather wealth, you should use the strategies millionaires use.
Alright!
If you found value in this video, I'd appreciate you leave a like and subscribe to Clyde Vera. That is my name. Be the best and fuck the rest.